हेलो दोस्तों, आप लोग कैसे हो? मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ इंशाल्लाह आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है WHO फैमिली वर्ड का प्रयोग। व्हाट इज योर मोबाइल? माय मोबाइल नेम इज iPhone 50. What is your favorite game? My game is a kabaddi. What is your favorite food? My food is a pasta. What is your favorite friend? My favorite friend is Jafar. What is your country name? My favorite country name is India. What is your city name? My favorite city name is Banaras. What is your teacher name? My favorite teacher name is Mr. Ryan sir. What is your class name? My favorite class name is Aryan English spoken classes. What is your watch? My favorite watch is a smartwatch. That's all. Thank you very much.